This is the kashayam which I have prepared for cough, cold, fever, sore throat and wheezing. This is made by using 1.5 glasses of water. To that water I have added 15 to 20 Tulsi leaves, little bit of peppercorns and little bit of jaggery, and it has to boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, now I am going to filter it. Now after filtering, you need not throw it away. You can use it for the second time also. Now after boiling 1.5 glasses of water, I have got this kashayam of 3/4 glass. It is very good during cold times. Have it twice a day. Thank you.